And here I am again. This is a completely different video. Just a few minutes from my gardening tag video. I have won Humble Homesteaders 100 giveaway, or 100 sub giveaway. I didn't even see the video. I saw it up there, but I didn't watch it. But she got a hold of me and told me that I'd won. And I have partially opened this box, but it's still in there. I've not looked at it. I've not done anything. I wanted to just do this in front of you all. And she really had it boxed really, really good. I have no idea what's in here. Oh, this is one of her produce bags. I did see her video where she told about this. This will make it very handy taking it to the store. And I go to Aldi's all the time. You all know Aldi's. You got to take your own bags. Okay. Facial pads and laundry bag. Well, that's nice. One side is flannel and the other side is terry cloth. And as you all can see, yes, I'm on my sewing mat, my rotary cutter mat. So I've been doing a lot of sewing also. Okay. Dehydrated potatoes. I've got some dehydrated, but I don't think I've got any shreds like this. So thank you very much. This feels like a jar of something. Ooh, raspberry jelly. Yum. But believe it or not, with all the jelly that I've got done, I've never made raspberry jelly. So that's going to be good. And here's some homemade soaps. It smells good. This is Castile soap. Nice. Not a lot of smell to that, but it's still good. This one is goat milk soap. It doesn't really have a lot of smell to it either, but that's not the point. The point is it's soap and it's homemade and it will be good. Okay, we got some seeds in here. We have scarlet runner, green beans, sugar pumpkins. Never tried those. Spaghetti squash. Oh my gosh, I love spaghetti squash. Last year was the first year that I actually got it and tasted it. Oh, it's so good. Okay, you got yellow bush beans. I've never grown them. And a homesteader pea. Don't know what that is, but I mean it's peas, I'm sure, but I've never heard of them. But hey, I'll plant them. I'm game. I really thank you so much for sending this stuff to me. That's awesome. And it's better when it's a surprise. But I will put these all to good use. I promise you that. Anyhow, if you all are not subbed to her, it is Humble Homesteaders. Go over and check her out. And let's try to get her to 500. I know that's not going to happen overnight. But go over and watch her videos if you like it. Then subscribe to her. And like I said, I appreciate each and everything. This is just wonderful. I love it all. Anyhow, thank you so much. I appreciate the gifts. And it's only like the second time I think I've won anything. So I am absolutely thrilled. But anyhow, y'all go over and check out our channel. I appreciate you all watching. I'm going to get off of here and I'm going to enjoy some of this stuff. So y'all take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next video. Now I kind of got them all the way over here just to turn it off. Talk to y'all later. Bye.